So Food Camp is a fantastic programme and it's aimed at helping our communities who are experiencing food inequality learn how to cook using humble ingredients, develop some kitchen confidence and also improve nutritional literacy. So Food Camp is really about bringing people together, taking some ingredients that might come from somewhere like a food bank or items that have been donated and learning super simple recipes that cut through, deliver nutrition, deliver taste and also help bring people together.
Food Camp for me in the last 4 weeks has been one of the nice experiences ever. It's learnt me a new skills that I didn't know, skills that are easier for everybody on a lower budget to learn, and it's easy to do, it's not hard. So yeah, to me it's been a boom.
It's not as hard as you think it is. Don't be scared of the flavours, don't be worried about doing it from scratch because it's easier than it looks.
My favourite Food Camp recipe has been sticky chicken. It is amazing.
I'd have to say the sticky chicken and today's the pasta bake.
I would say to someone who's, heard about it or thinking of coming, just come along. Everyone's friendly. It's quite a relaxed atmosphere. We have a laugh, and you learn, you learn how to cook really, and cheap recipes that are healthy as well.
Food Camp, food for the body, mind and spirit.